So with this, we're going to try to restore normal patterns of movement and get away from linear patterns into normal, what looks entirely normal. We'll break that down. There's combined rotation, the shoulder, straightening of the arm, internal rotation, there's opening of a hand, there's normal integration, there's actually a body movement even as far as the shoulder blade and into the potentially into the waist. There's diagonal patterns. So you can reach forwards and back to the mouth. We can go slightly off to the side as if picking something up off the table here, or even here. Even practice maybe picking up a glass. Different movements, but perhaps an apple up as if to bite. You could even try reaching as if going to having your hands down in front of you and then going to scratch your ear. Of course, this is going to get the movement back at the elbow. Or even reach to the other side to scratch your ear. Do that with the eyes closed once you've practiced a few. And repeat the same movement several times. This will tap into your memory bank of what we call a sensory engram, learnt patterns of movement in the body, and tapping into those will help restore normal movement and will help get us over this restriction. Obviously, both hands if necessary. Take your time and feel it.